Alright guys, it's Halley here, and we're gonna go up to the quarter pipe and see how much snow we're working with. It's May, by the way, and there's snow in New Jersey. Strange.
But we're in a manly truck. Manly.
Yeah, so the boys behind me are discussing the future of the setup for this Saturday. Secret meeting. Snow. Secret meeting. Snow. Creep. So Ray, are you excited about this Rail Jam event?
Excited.
You look excited. Okay, I'll stop filming you now.
Straight at me, on your butt.
Drop your butt. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Yeah, I think I've had better dismounts. My battle scars. I don't know if I want to put this on the internet. I assure you it'll be a lot more fun on a snowboard on Saturday. Okay. I'll see you later.